Do you use utility knives often? Regularly? What do you do with them?
Lots of things, but primarily I build airplanes.
Oh, cool.
And for that reason, I hate this one.
Okay.
Because it's too long to actually get this into the palm of my hand. So I don't have control over it.
Okay. Oh, okay. So the length of it is a little too long?
This is too long to be usable.
Got it. Anything else about that you would change? Do you think it's too thick? Because you were mentioning earlier you don't prefer the narrow ones, but also would this be too thick for?
It wouldn't be too thick. The thickness isn't a problem. The thickness is fine. But like if I hold this one, right, and I hold this one the same way, the distance between my finger and where the knife is actually working is extended, and so I don't have nearly the same control.
Right.
I can't like push down on it the way that I want to, so I end up holding it like this weird, and it does this weird thing with my finger.
Yeah. Okay. Interesting.
I don't dislike this. I assume you put it in there to like get some extra grip on it. I think a better solution would be to actually cut something out and have a rubber insert right there.
Yeah.
I have a blade guard on mine, so I can break the case.
Is there anything you don't like about it, or you do like about it?
I like the grip right here.
Okay.
It's nice in the hand.
Cool.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's really
Oh, I see.
Yeah. It's a little sticky.
I use this one for like 4 years.
Wow.
But see,
Okay.
it's got like a little.
So the blade itself has a hole in it, and
yeah, and then it just clicks into there, and then.
Cool.
That's super nice.
Okay. Great.
Yep.
Well, thank you so much. And sorry, you're.
When are you going to Jamaica?
Next January 13th to the 20th.
Cool. So
Thank you.
That's really nice. I don't know how to like change the blade or if I just unscrew it. But I like how smooth it slides and it cuts pretty evenly. It's pretty comfortable in my hand.
Okay.
Like it flows nice, like a spot for my thumb or my finger to apply pressure.
Yeah.
It's
Cool.
good quality and it works.
It does. Yay.
Most important part.